We're now going to make the up and coming. Seriously, this is one of the cocktails you can have at Club Cumming, yes?
Yes, and Sam, who's one of our managers, he invented it. Sam Benedict.
Sam's a great mixologist. My husband, John, is a fabulous mixologist.
He is. Well, Sam, he invented all the ones. We've got a little card of different ones. And it's so good because when I bartend, and there's a little thing like that, and it says what's in them on the back of the thing. So of course you can have that, of course.
Of course you can.
But,
we did that too. We did a cheat sheet too. So 3 ounces of tequila. Do you want ice in here? May I assist?
Yes, please.
Okay. So 3 ounces of white tequila.
Yeah. This is
Espanol is what
you have. This in the bar.
Esperanza
this
in the bar.
I'm not going to use because I feel
No. Free pour.
For 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, a little pineapple. Let's see, about 3 ounces of pineapple.
Like that, yes.
Look at all the antioxidants and how healthy it is.
Look at that. And all clear alcohol.
Yeah, I'm a clear alcohol person. I can't do dark alcohol.
A little bit of triple sec.
A little triple sec.
A little bit of lime juice.
I'm a bitter girl. I like the lime.
And then a wee bit of cranberry because we can't fit any more in because it's too much tequila. And then
we have glasses in the freezer.
Oh, yeah, that's very important.
Don't get it on your suit. Your suit's fabulous.
No, I'm actually worried about this already.
Here, I'll do it. Don't ruin your suit.
I stuck it. I'm worried it's going to come off.
Okay, I'll be... Look, I have a sink for just this
Oh, look at that.
I have a
sink.
Yeah, there we go. All right, give me the little doodaddy.
Shake it. Don't break it.
Okay.
And here we are.